In this episode, you will be getting a story time of when I went to the worst hairstylist ever. My personal experience. And you will also be preparing with me for a so-called self-care weekend that kind of goes sideways. But then it gets a little better. It gets way better, actually. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in today. Good morning. Hey y'all, it's me, Trinity Shanice, back again with another video. Today we will be doing a self-care Saturday, preparing for the new year. It is 2024 and I have not been on YouTube. I took the December month off. I just needed a break to figure out what kind of content I wanted to make, what kind of impact that I wanted to bring to the YouTube community first. So yeah, and I'm getting my hair done today because I hate how it look in this bonnet right now. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all get y'all bonnet from Shenanigans Hairtique. We also have satin pillowcases if you would like a satin pillowcase for your pillow. And you can shop online. The link is in the description box. And it's reversible, lasts up to 4 years. You can wash it and dry it. Do y'all like reading books? What kind of books do y'all read? So let me read to you real quick. Think of how many times you've waken up in the morning and gone through your routine of grooming, getting dressed, and eating breakfast. If you have a set schedule, there's a good chance that most days you sleepwalk through all these tasks before fully realizing you're awake and ready to start your day. I be doing that sometimes. I won't be feeling like talking in the daytime ready because sometimes I feel like I'm not awake, but I'm awake.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back.
Paid y'all they have was $15 an hour from Hairtique.
My socks is in my purse.
For me to be up like an office assistant. Hello. We got some good news. Oh shoot, hold on. So we got some good news. Turn it, y'all. We got some good news and we got some bad news. The good news is I got a pedicure. I liked it. I got a pretty color on my feet. And my skin is glowing. Do you see it? But the bad news is my hair appointment canceled on me. And look at me. I feel like Jennifer Hudson, Effie, of Dreamgirls. What about what I need? What about what's best for me? Look at me. That's how I'm feeling. And then it's raining really hard. This supposed to be my self-care day. But it feels more like punishment. It feels like punishment. Child, stop freaking playing with me. Let me call my sis. Let me see what's up. Let me get some advice. Because we supposed to be doing a self-care day. Hold on. We supposed to be doing a bestie date today. A bestie virtual date. Because if y'all ain't know, Indy Alexis just moved to... this coat is big. But baby, I'm skinny. Okay? I'm skinny. Don't play with me. But so Indy Alexis just moved to Las Vegas, Nevada. So we wanted to do a bestie date. And we can't even do that. Cause the devil wanna play. He wanna play. She better answer. She probably won't even answer. Y'all know them friends. Oh, I was about to say, she probably won't even answer. Y'all know them friends that when you call them, they'll never answer the phone. They call you back. This hanged up on me. She just hang up on me. Wow. You know what? I'm gonna call this lady about this hair first, and then I'm gonna call her back. Cause don't hang up on me.
Caught that at 4K. Man, what's going on? The car thing.
At least you kept your hair in. I should have kept my shit in too.
Look, hey y'all. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
That's all YouTubers got to say when you put them on your camera.
Why you coming for me?
No, I'm like, Lord.
So what are you gonna do, sis?
I don't know. I vlog. So I was able to find a last minute stylist, but she told me I could come now, which is 2:27. And then she called me back and said, can I come at 3:30 or 4? Black hairstylists are a piece of work. And yeah, I said it. Black hairstylists are a piece of work. The last lady canceled on me talking about she cut her finger doing her last client hair. How did you get a deep cut doing a silk press? And you're a stylist. It's given she didn't want to do my hair, or somebody paid her more money to take my spot, and that's what she did. That's what it's given. Because you know, people do anything for money, but guess what? Guess what? You lost a customer. A good one. Maybe a collaboration. I'm trying to be calm, cool, and collect, and it ain't trying to help me, like my sis said. Grab me a little vegan treat before I go down here to the salon, because the young lady said she will see me at 3:30. It's raining. It's raining. Sis, do you be finding yourself looking at not the camera? You probably got used to it now.
You said what? Do I think myself what?
Do you be... Shoot. Do you be looking directly at the camera?
No, I look at myself.
I be... Girl, I be looking at myself too. I paid $12 for this. It's gonna be good, but it's just small. Like,
Yeah.
they made these salty today. India always put me on hold. She be having everybody call her all types of the day. She famous.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get...
Update with the self-care vlog. I'm about to get my hair done. So hopefully everything goes well, and I hope she bring me out looking like a baddie. Cause what? The first lady canceled on me. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm about to go inside. I'm about to get a silk press. Get these knot balls combed out, okay? Get the knot balls combed out. This is about to be a whole story time. So y'all, I went to this girl. She was in a salon, so I'm thinking she cosmetology, you know, certified or whatever. She is doing somebody else's hair the entire time. Not the entire time, but like when I get there, and mind you, you already pushing it. When I ask you, you know what I'm saying? Because you do it right away.
Oh, she's talking. I'm like, what?
I thought you was talking to her too, and then I heard you. Yes, I am.
Yeah.
You funny.
I'm just looking at her
Right away. You told me yes. You know, people say anything for your dollars. But so basically my hair ain't last. And then she was just giving me lazy energy. Like, I can tell she's more passionate about braids. I had went on her Instagram after the fact, and then I saw that mostly what she catered to is braids. But that's my fault, because I allowed somebody I didn't know to work on my head. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just can't be trusting anybody. Like, my advice to anybody is to stick to one hairstylist. I feel like my hair broke off because I did not stick to one hairstylist in my journey. I have been swapping hairstylists. I haven't been taking care of my hair properly. Then I got locks, and that took some of my hair out. It's just been a long journey with my hair. So, like, 2024 is definitely about growing my hair back and getting it back in the right shape that I want it to be. Because this is unnecessary and uncalled for. But I'm just glad it's over. And there's a lesson learned. Every year and every day you're going to learn something new. So stand on it. Then I was also disappointed because when I saw the length of my hair, it just, like, not saying it's her fault. It's like my fault, you know, with my journey that I just mentioned. Like, I feel like this is the shortest my hair has been in a long time. Because once I did my big chop, my hair started to grow back really full and curly, and you know, my length was getting there, and it feels like I'm back at square one. But sometimes we gotta start from the bottom until we get there. So lastly, the icing on the cake for me was when she asked me where do I want her to trim my hair. So I asked her, I said, who's a cosmetologist in here? Let's ask the cosmetologist, where should my hair be cut? You feel me? Like, no. This is not what we're doing. And I wasn't feeling it at first, but when I think about my pretty face, like my dimples, my glasses, my eyes, I can pull off anything. You feel me? I can pull off anything, period.
You ain't shit, you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you.
Look at my sis. Oh, she started recording me. I was trying to get my camera together. Hey.
Let's be honest, y'all. We need to be in the same city.
That's why I just had the other phone, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. So this is what I think I'm going for. Oh, there, what in the world?
Real look, real.
I guess we ran this.
Yeah. She got a wig. Any makeup?
No, we're cute.
Okay,
We're cute.
cool.
Natural. Go grandma on these.
Let me see.
I can go grandma on these hoes and be comfortable. Or I can go bad and bougie and be
You,
stubborn.
the other one, you not going, grandma.
Lord, y'all, I'm gonna be stumbling.
We start moving them things from things to things. We was like, you know what?
Can you beat the sugar? Put you waiting on look daddy. I ain't got that much time.
Have some. Take one. Oh, look, she want my roommate so bad. Oh, she wish she would come home to me. I wish I was coming home to you too, sis. I wish I would come home to you too.
It's so much. But I know, like, if y'all want another video like this, if y'all want me to